So you like the story on Instagram and you want to share it to your own story on the platform. You are in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that. All you need to do is to follow carefully with me till the very end of this video to learn exactly how. First we need to get something out of the way. We need to open Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the Instagram app updated to the latest version, just like that. Finally, you can go ahead and open the Instagram app. And let's go ahead and check a shared story to show you how it looks like. So Snoop Dogg does that, he shared a story of that user. Now if I want to see the original poster or the original story, I can tap on the story right here and open the profile that pops up from there. And this is the original poster with the original story. As you can see, if I try to share the story by tapping right in the bottom right, there is no option for me to do that because I need to be tagged on the story to be able to share it to my own story. So Snoop Dogg was able to do that because he was tagged on the story, as you can see here. Now, we can still do something about it. We can go to that story and basically take a screenshot, and I'll show you how can you add a link to that even. So after taking the screenshot, you can go back to your story to post this picture that you have just taken. So go ahead and tap right here, add the picture, and just like that you can zoom it in and you can make it basically look like it's your story. But to add the link to it, you can go back to the same story. So let's open Snoop Dogg's story and open this original one right here. Open the story, tap right in the bottom right corner, and then tap on copy right here in the bottom. Once you copy this link, go back to the story that you posted, and then swipe up from the bottom of the screen, search for link in the search bar and tap on the link right here. Now paste the link right there and tap on done in the top right corner, and just like that you have created a link to that story. Now after posting it, you can go ahead and check it out again. So let's open the story, and once you tap on that link and tap on visit link, it will take you directly to that story. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Leave your questions for me and I'll try to answer every single one of them. Of course, don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.